Legacy Mail plugins are software add-ons that extend the functionality of the Mail app on macOS. They can be used for various purposes, such as blocking content, performing message actions, improving security, and more. However, Legacy Mail plugins are not compatible with macOS Sonoma, the latest version of macOS that will be released later this year. This means that if you update to macOS Sonoma, your Legacy Mail plugins will stop working and you will lose access to their features. Why are Legacy Mail plugins no longer supported on macOS Sonoma? The reason is that Apple has introduced a new framework called MailKit that developers can use to build modern and secure extensions for the Mail app. MailKit extensions are more reliable and safer than legacy plugins, as they run in a separate process and have limited access to your data. MailKit extensions also have a consistent user interface and can be easily installed and managed from the Mac App Store. Apple announced the MailKit framework in 2021 when it released macOS Monterey. At that time, Apple also warned that Legacy Mail plugins would stop functioning in a future macOS release. Now, that time has come with macOS Sonoma. Apple has confirmed that Legacy Mail plugins are not supported on macOS Sonoma and that MailKit extensions are the only way forward. What does this mean for you if you use Legacy Mail plugins? It means that you have two options. Either stay on an older version of macOS and keep using your legacy plugins, or update to macOS Sonoma and switch to MailKit extensions. The first option is not recommended, as you will miss out on the new features and security updates of macOS Sonoma. The second option is better, but it may require some adjustments and compromises. Not all Legacy Mail plugins have been updated to MailKit extensions, so you may not find an exact replacement for your favorite plugin. Some developers are working on creating new MailKit extensions, while others have decided to abandon their plugins or create their own mail clients. You may have to look for alternative solutions or change your workflow to adapt to the new situation. In this video, we will show you how to survive the macOS Sonoma update without losing your mail plugins. We will help you find out which plugins you have installed, how to check if they have been updated to MailKit extensions, how to install and manage MailKit extensions, and how to deal with any issues or limitations that may arise. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make the most of your Mac. In this section, I will show you how to check if you have any Legacy Mail plugins installed and how to uninstall them. Legacy Mail plugins are third-party extensions that add features or functionality to the Mail app on your Mac. However, they are not supported on macOS Sonoma, the latest version of the operating system. This means that if you upgrade to macOS Sonoma, your Legacy Mail plugins will stop working and may cause problems with your Mail app. To check if you have any Legacy Mail plugins installed, you need to open the Mail app and go to the Preferences menu. Then, click on the General tab and look for the Manage Plugins button at the bottom. If you don't see this button, it means that you don't have any Legacy Mail plugins installed and you can skip this section. If you do see this button, it means that you have one or more Legacy Mail plugins installed and you need to uninstall them before upgrading to macOS Sonoma. To uninstall a Legacy Mail plugin, you need to click on the Manage Plugins button and a window will pop up showing you all the plugins that are currently installed. You can select the plugin that you want to uninstall and click on the Remove Plugin button. You may need to enter your administrator password to confirm the removal. You will also need to quit and relaunch the Mail app for the changes to take effect. You should repeat this process for every Legacy Mail plugin that you have installed. Some examples of Legacy Mail plugins are Alt Server, Small Cubed Mail Suite, uBlock Origin, and others. These plugins may not work on macOS Sonoma or may have limited functionality compared to their previous versions. Some developers may have updated their plugins to use the new MailKit framework, which is more secure and compatible with macOS Sonoma. You can check their websites or app stores for more information on how to get the new versions of their plugins. By uninstalling your Legacy Mail plugins, you can avoid potential issues with your Mail app and prepare your Mac for the macOS Sonoma update. In the next section, I will show you how to back up your Mac before upgrading to macOS Sonoma. If you are using macOS Sonoma, you might have noticed that your legacy mail plugins no longer work. This is because Apple has dropped support for them in favor of MailKit extensions. In this video, we will explore what are the alternatives to legacy mail plugins, such as MailKit extensions or third-party mail clients. MailKit extensions are a new framework that Apple introduced in macOS Monterey, and they are designed to be more secure and modern than legacy plugins. They can perform various tasks, such as blocking content, performing message actions, improving security, and more. However, they also have some limitations compared to legacy plugins. They have less access to the Mail app and its data, which means they might not be able to offer the same features or functionality as some legacy plugins. If you want to use MailKit extensions, you need to find out if your favorite legacy plugin has been updated to use MailKit or not. Some developers have already done so, while others are working on it. You can check the App Store or the developer's website for more information. To install a MailKit extension, you need to download it from the App Store or the developer's website, and then enable it in the Mail app preferences under Extensions. If you cannot find a MailKit extension that suits your needs, or if you prefer not to use them at all, you might want to consider using a third-party mail client instead of the Mail app. There are many options available for macOS Sonoma, such as Outlook, Thunderbird, Spark, AirMail, and more. Each one has its own advantages and disadvantages, depending on your preferences and requirements. Some of them might even support legacy mail plugins or offer similar features. To use a third-party mail client, you need to download it from the App Store or the developer's website, and then set it up with your email account. You can also import your existing messages and contacts from the Mail app if you want to. You can then use the third-party mail client as your default email app instead of the Mail app. As you can see, there are some alternatives to legacy mail plugins on macOS Sonoma, such as MailKit extensions or third-party mail clients. You might need to do some research and experimentation to find out which one works best for you. Hopefully, this video has given you some useful information and tips on how to survive the macOS Sonoma update without losing your mail plugins.